just wanted to give you a background with regards to this training, why this training is very important, but I will go back into the history. So, the first data center was made in 1940. Okay, and since then, there has been an evolution in every decade. In 1960s, there were a lot of people who brought new technologies in data centers. I don't know whether some of you know this or not. Do you know the father of data center? Okay, so we are doing this data center program. We must know who is the father. So Kenneth was initially the father of data center, who started tiering, who started TIA 942 processes, and later on it was further developed into different technologies. And now we come back to what is happening in the world. So what world needs is, nowadays we hear about AI, but without data center, you cannot practice AI. Why? Because you have to train your data on the data center. So data centers with GPU are the most important thing for the future. And then there are different technologies that are available depending upon the size of the data. So when you design your data center, it is very important that you see few things. Number one is sustainability. Number two is availability of power. Number three is location. Number four is scalability, in the sense that if you think that your data will increase in 10 years, you don't have to create more data centers. And then you also need to have a backup. So these are the bases. But in the end, I would say that you may have learned, this is a very short program. Inshallah, we'll conduct more programs.
Sure.
And next time we will have more certifications. Thank you, Kanal Saab, for providing the space. And Innovista, I think most of you may not know that have trained over 100,000 different people from across Pakistan, and they have different things which Mr. Colonel Tahir will brief you about their program. But technology alone cannot change the universe. It's the integrity, passion, and innovation that is the backbone and that is behind it, that can change or develop our universe. So congratulations to all of you. Shine on, keep smiling, and keep the legacy flowing in the right direction. Thank you very much.